Okay, what I got here is the bow, and I'm using one of their camera mounts, as you see here, with the extended arm that clips in right up here. So I got the case here. Hopefully, we're gonna try it out. It's gonna shoot straight. I got the GoPro app right here, so I can see where it's pointing at. So let's see if it shoots right. So I just shot 3 times, and that target down there is about 17 yards away. Now with this, I guess, I wanted to put another camera on the bow to get that up front shot. So if it's within down here 10 to 15 yard range, hopefully you can see the shot in camera. But the one's way out, like you can barely see it probably right now. There's another deer, 2 more deer targets out there at 30 and 40 yards out. That's gonna be tough to see the shot on camera, but hopefully this year get something on camera with the GoPro and make it happen.